Dreams. I hope you all are doing well, and if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Shreeja and welcome to my channel. So I create fashion, beauty and DIY videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my Club Factory haul. So I honestly picked up a lot of stuff from there, and surprisingly all of the stuff that I ordered has turned out to be super amazing, like even the quality wise. So yeah, if you want to know what all I purchased, then please keep on watching. The first product that I have is this really cute beanie. So if you guys have seen my Himalaya trekking vlog, then you must have seen this already. So this is like a cute fur ball beanie. The material is great and it also keeps you warm, plus it is damn cute. Next I have this multifunctional travel makeup pouch. So the quality is really nice and it has ample of space for everything. I carried this for my trek as well and it was totally worth it. Then I got two phone cases. So first one is this black glittery phone case, which is absolutely stunning, and the quality is really nice and it looks cute as well. And the next one is this cute pink sparkle glitter dust something cover. I don't know what to call it, but it is really nice and it hasn't turned yellow. I've been using this regularly, so which is a great thing. Next I have this dainty necklace. So this is a damn cute. I mean, for the price that I got it, even if it becomes oxidized after 4 or 5 uses, I'm not going to feel bad, but it is absolutely so damn pretty. Next I picked up this manicure buffing tool which has 4 sides to it and it works really nice. I don't know how to explain it more, so I'm gonna shut up now. Then I picked up 2 hair buns. So the first one is the smallest size which was available and the second one is the largest. This is the smallest one. I use it for a half messy bun and the second one I use it for a full messy bun, and they are totally worth it. The quality is really nice and I like it. Then I picked up 2 dainty boho necklaces and the first one is in silver. So this has like 3 layers. So the only disappointing thing is that they actually showed 4 layers in the picture and the necklace is of 3 layers. I have no complaints about the quality. It hasn't oxidized. I've used it like 7-8 times and the quality is still great. Then the second one is in gold. So I really like this one because of the aqua stone which is there and the small tassel. It looks really cute. Then I picked up this set of 5 bracelets. So this is in the black color and I absolutely love it. The golden one hasn't oxidized, which is really great because the last time I made a Club Factory haul video, all I had to do was complain about how the things were oxidizing and I couldn't use them even after paying like $100 for it. But this time I have absolutely no complaints like that. The quality is great and I absolutely love the set. Then I picked up the set of 5 rings and all of them are pretty much loose for me. So they are really bohemian and the quality is really nice. So all I can do is fix it with some glue gun hopefully and use it. Then I picked up this black backpack and like I said in my previous Club Factory haul that I'm going to be obsessing over them, and here I am with another one. So this is a canvas material backpack and the quality is damn great for the price that I paid. Plus I can carry my 13-inch laptop and a few clothes in it, so there is ample of space for that as well. So the stitching quality for this bag is not that great, but the bag looks really cute. And it also has sunflowers over it which are actually embroidered. I was hoping for a print or something, but that is really great. Then I picked up this top. This is a mustard color bell sleeves top and I absolutely love it. The material is synthetic but the look of it and the sizing is absolutely perfect. I mean, it fits me correctly. So I've never shopped clothes from Club Factory before because I was skeptical about the quality, the sizing and everything, because I've heard a lot of people say ki arey, the material is not that good or the sizing is wrong or something like that. But this top is actually true to the size which is given and the material is also great. Then I picked up a bunch of earrings, like literally way too many earrings. So I actually got 4 tassel earrings. So one is the one that I'm wearing right now, and then I have one in baby pink, one in maroon and one in beige. So this is how the baby pink one looks. It is really cute. So for these earrings, the picture reference which was given was a hot pink tassel earring and not a baby pink one, but I received the baby pink. So yeah, if you guys are planning to buy this, just keep in mind that pink color is a baby pink, not a hot pink color. And I also like the one which I'm wearing right now. This is like a aqua blue earring and it is just a perfect statement earring. Like, absolutely love it. These are the maroon ones. I actually like the hoop and the tassel combination. And these beige ones are my absolute favorite. Like, I just love these and the quality is really nice, and I just love the way it looks. Then I got these white earrings. So I actually ordered them in beige, but I received the white color instead. I don't regret it. I mean, the color looks good, but this earring came broken. Like, the rhinestone was fallen off. I had to stick it. Otherwise, no complaints, it looks really good. Then I got two hoop earrings. So one is in gold and the second one is in silver. The gold one has a bead detailing over it. Then the silver one is a little bit bigger than the gold one, and I really like the silver one as well. Then I got these red and black kind of tassel earrings, I think so. And I absolutely love them. These are like a perfect statement piece. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do let me know what you thought of this haul, and are you going to purchase the products that I mentioned over here. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. All the links are down in the description box, and I will see you all soon.